Alrighty, all. Just a quick video to show you how to use the AI crypto scanner. Now, this is something that I've been wanting to put together for a long time, for years now. Um, I've had so many people asking me, why haven't you put something together so we can trade crypto on the exchanges and everything? And now I have. So it's good, and I'm pretty excited about it. Um, But yeah, it's pretty easy. In your back office, there's an AI crypto scanner page. Go to that and you'll see all of the signals. Now, normally, um, I only have it filtered to show A and A plus setups. So you won't see C's and D's. If you do, just understand that they're the lower quality trades. And I've also got a little cautionary note here because this product is still in development phase, so use with caution. I'm using it on live money, only a small amount at this stage though. But from what I've seen so far, it's also already, worthwhile. Um, but because I'm using AI for it, the more it gets used, the more data it accumulates. The more it can refine the code, the more better, the better it will get. So it's just a matter of collecting that data and refining now, but already it works well. But let's go through it. I'm going to go through this particular one here. There is a little bit of a glitch on the take profit 2 at the moment. Not on this one. There is on this one, but I'll fix that today. So don't worry about this one. Just read this A plus one. It tells you the pair we're trading, whether we need to place it on a long or a short. Say buy or sell order. It tells you the exact entry price. We're just going to be placing it market value anyway. It tells you exactly where to place the stop loss. And for the moment, I would just suggest sticking with take profit 1. That's the most likely outcome. It could definitely go through and hit take profit 2. Usually going to take longer, but it is bigger profit. At some stage, we'll probably look at training and showing people how to, when it hits take profit 1, we just close half the trade, make the rest risk free and let it run, something like that. But it'll be totally up to you how you play that. And it gives us a risk to reward for take profit 1 of 3.86. That means for every dollar you risk, you stand to make $3.86. So quite a good risk to reward. But the risk to reward on take profit 2 is 7.72. So yeah, nearly double, about double. A couple of the trades I shared yesterday that I took out yesterday, and I've shared the results this morning. They had risk to rewards of over 11 for take profit 1. Now, the AI score of 76, that means this one is only just an A, but you might have two A rated trades, but one might be 76, the other might be 78. The 78 is the better trade. And so the rating is based off the score, but the score is more incremental and more specifically accurate. It also shows you the date and the time that the signal was produced. So preferably you want to place a trade as soon after the signal was created as possible. The longer you leave it, the more chance there is that the market will have moved already. It updates the signals every 15 minutes, so not a big issue. Alrighty, so let's go across to our trading platform. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin just jumped up a bit. So the trading platform is going to be, your preferred crypto exchange. The FutureFX AI crypto scanner is actually pulling its information from Binance. That may or may not change in the future. I'm actually going to be trading on Bybit exchange at the moment because I find it quite nice and easy. They also have their own crypto card, which anybody that's got a verified account can just get and use to spend their crypto as well. Nice and simple, comes in handy. But I've come to my futures trading platform here. And the first thing I need to do is, because I'm going to be trading this pair here near USDT, I need to bring up that chart. So I can just click on the search bar, type in near, and it should bring them all up. So near USDT. And it brings up that chart. If we have a look at the signal again, the entry point was 1.238. Which was right down here. So in this particular instance, we've left it a little bit long. The market's already moved, but if we had a jump straight on this signal the moment we got it, our trade would have been in quite decent profit already. I'm still going to go through and place this trade, but normally I would say if the market's moved that much, I'm just on the 15-minute time frame, I would say wait for the market to pull back or wait for another signal to decide whether to get in or not. But just to show you how the simplest way to place the trade is I'm on cross leverage and I'm on 10 times leverage. So cross leverage and 10 times leverage, that does sort of increase your risk, but because we're placing a stop loss, it doesn't really matter. So the stop loss will be the overriding factor determining how much money we have at risk on that trade. Alrighty, so I'm going to place the trade at market, and I'm going to just, with this, you can type in, let me move this out of the way. You can type in exactly how many near coins you want to be trading, or you can just, for example, I'm going to use 50% of my funds. Let's go with 25. The trade's already gone. 25% of my funds that I have in here. And that's the quickest and easiest way. We can refine it a little bit more, but we'll talk about that later. So that's how much we're going to trade. We need to put in our take profit and our stop loss as well. So if we just come back to our signal, the stop loss was 1.2315. 1.2315. You can copy and paste as well. That's just as good. And we'll stick with the TP1, which is 1.263. 1.263. And it's a long order. So we need to, we need to press long. So we'll click long and we'll confirm your order has been filled. So now right here, that's where we place the trade. This is our stop loss. And this is our take profit. And that's all we need to do. If we scroll down, we can look at our positions. Okay, this is our near one here. And if we scroll across further, we can see here that I'm currently down 25 cents. So when this gets into profit, it'll all turn green like this one. and that's where you can track it. And what's going to happen now is this trade will either go through and hit take profit, or it'll go the wrong way and hit our stop loss. And that's it. We make money, we lose money, we move on to the next trade. All right, that'll do to show you exactly how it all works, and we'll make some better videos and fine tune it all shortly. Cheers.